Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So I already put on my lashes and my eyebrows, and I'm gonna add my primer. Haven't used this primer in a while. Okay. Did you put it in my cups? I could use the sippy cups with a straw. Oh, it's in the, no, it's okay, it's in the fridge. Thank you, babe. All right, I've applied my primer. So now I'm going to go in with my foundation. This is the brush that I'm using for my foundation. Keeps it very simple. And I mix two, you know what? I normally mix two different foundation. This one is closer to me. And like I said, it's seasonal. If you guys watch my other videos, get rid of me video. This one is darker, but I do want a darker look today. So I am going to go in with just the darker one. Okay. You know how you can damp your beauty blender with water and then apply your foundation to give it a more flawless coverage, and you end up using less foundation? I saw another vlogger use the setting spray. So I'm going to go ahead and wet this brush with my setting spray as opposed to using water, and then I'm going to apply the foundation to the brush. I don't think I need any more than that because the brush gives you good coverage. I'm going to just dab it all over. Okay guys, I'm just blending in the foundation. Then I'm gonna go in with my concealer. And you guys know I like my under eyes to be brightened up, and I'm gonna brighten up my T-zone area as well. I'm using this brush under my eyes. I'm gonna go to the other side. I like to put some on my chin as well. And I'm gonna put some down the bridge of my nose using a different brush, an angled brush. Put on the bridge. Okay, so now I'm going to contour using this brush. heavy on the contour today. Okay, so I like how my contour is looking. Now I'm going to create the dark shadow that we naturally have right here that the foundation took away when I'm brushing it into the hairline. Brushing into the hairline and around where I put the. Last time I did use this blush, I think it's Juvia's, that's how you pronounce it, Juvia's Place. This is volume 2, and I only used the pinkish looking one at the bottom, but it wasn't bright enough. But I did mix these two for my eyeshadow and actually did like it, so I'm going to mix both again, but for my blush and my highlighter, I meant my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna mix both. And I can see it, which is good. I'm just putting it right above my contour and my cheekbones, going back. And then since I already have it out, I'm just gonna put on my eyeshadow using the same palette, same colors that I'm mixing. Because I don't need to use my bronzer today because I don't need to tone down my contour. So I'm just going to highlight. This is the finished makeup look. So now I'm gonna go in with my setting spray. Wait, hold on a second. No, I love highlighting my nose. What am I doing? I did not highlight my nose. I'm gonna brush off my ankle brush. Gotta highlight my nose. And now I'm going to go in with my setting spray. Alright guys, so my setting spray is drying. Hope you like my makeup look because I am loving it. I am digging it. And I'm using my ring light today, so hopefully the lighting is a lot better. I love how my blush is popping. And I will show you guys my outfit of the day. Okay guys, so I'm wearing this 2-color top and my crossbody bag. I like it, it's nice and lightweight. And my shorts, black shorts. It's a little distressed on mainly the back pockets. Can't really see it because it's a little distressed, and somewhere on the pockets in the front. Yeah, so that's my outfit of today. Thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel. If you've already subscribed, thank you. If you haven't, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.